Hey guys, we're back with another iPhone 16 Pro video. Today we're going to be showing you how to change these widgets or customize your lock screen. This is called the lock screen when it's in this mode. And so now that this button is the camera button, when I push it down, it's kind of redundant to have another camera button here. What you could do, there's some things you can do where you can change this maybe to like a selfie button or something. But how to do it? Let's go ahead and start. All we have to do is hold down onto the screen. And then there's going to be a Face ID. Now, once we get into this mode, what we have to do is just go ahead, push Customize, and you're going to go to Lock Screen. And in Lock Screen, now we have some options. We can add a widget here, or we can change this over here. So as I was saying earlier, let me go ahead and I subtracted it out, I minused it out. Now I'm going to push pause, and we can add a couple of different things from the control menu. We could change it to a calculator. We could change it to Shazam song identifier. We could change it to a stopwatch. We could change it to, as you can see, you can scroll down and there's several options. So I'll go ahead and just change it to my alarm button. So now, oops. So there's one other option. I can change colors for this. So then now when I'm done, I'm gonna just go ahead and push done. And now we will see the alarm clock on the bottom. You can also change this flashlight if you want. But yeah, pretty simple. Let me show you once again. If I hold it down, push Customize, and I'm gonna go back to the lock screen. I can also add a widget right here. So then, you know, for example, let's go ahead and put, this is the weather, or we can also put a clock up here, or we can put the date, but we already have the date up here. So you can mess around with it. This new iPhone, it allows you to, the 16 Pro and iOS allows you to really customize a lot of things now. We can also put battery here. So, oops, remove the widget. I have to remove these. And now I have my battery up here instead of over here. So anyways, this is how you customize your lock screen. Go ahead and mess around with this. Pretty simple. Yeah, try it out at home and let me know what you think. Please like or comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye.